Hello guys, welcome to the Doubtlet. So in this video we will solve this expression of logarithm and we will write it in the form and we will find the value of a, b and c. So here we will use the properties of the log. So I am just mentioning them here. So suppose log a into b means if the two functions or two values are multiplying, then we can write them in the addition form like log a plus log b. If two functions or two values are in the divide form, means in p by q form, then we can write this log as log a minus log b. And if there is the power, means a to the power b is present inside the function, so b will be moved in the starting, so we can write this as b log a. So these three properties we will use to solve this question. So first of all, we know that these x to the power 11 and y to the power 5 are in multiplication and this is divide. So we will first use the division format. So suppose this upper quantity is a and lower quantity is b. So we can write this equation as, so we can write this as log of x to the power 11 multiplied by y to the power 5 minus log of z to the power 13. Right? Now for this expression we can use log a into b. So we can also split this expression. So we can write this as log of x to the power 11 plus log of y to the power 5. Right? Now for both of these expressions and this expression also, we will use this power rule. So we can write this as 11 log x, then we will write it as plus, we will write it as 5 log y, and this is the, we can write this as minus 13 log z. So if we will compare it with a log x plus b log y plus c log z, so what we will get? We will get the value of a is equal to 11, b is equal to 5 and c is equal to minus 13. So similarly we can solve such type of algebraic questions which contain the logarithm, and by using these properties we can solve them. And here we have to remember that log means the base 10, and if there will be ln, then we have to use the base e. So this thing we have to remember also. So I hope you got the concept what I am trying to deliver. So if you like this video, please hit the like button below, comment on this video, give the feedback so that we can improve upon the quality and the content of the solutions and the questions that we are providing. And please share it with your friends so that they can also learn the basic concepts and give proper feedback. And in the end, if you want to ask any other doubt, then visit my website, that is, link is given below in the description. And you can also ask your doubt by posting them in the comment box below. Thank you very much.